Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how CoGrader and Schoology work together. To get started, you can go on Grade Essays, and if your account is properly set up, you're going to see the Import from Schoology button. Click it to be redirected to the Import from Schoology page. You can select your grade, your class. You can see that it's pulled directly from Schoology. Select one to see all the assignments from that class be pulled in from Schoology as well. We're going to select this course, this assignment, and then you can take a look at the prompt. You can add source documents to help CoGrader give context during the feedback. You can also select a rubric, or CoGrader can create one for you, adjust the grading parameters, and if it all looks good, you can click on Import and Grade. You will now see the student submissions table where you can click and inspect the feedback for any student submission. You can also edit any of the previous parameters. Click on a student, adjust the feedback accordingly. This is very important. You must remember that you're always in control. If it all looks good, you can click on approve. Now you can go to export, send to Schoology, or any other option available. Let's go with this one first. And you're going to be able to select which students you want to send feedback to and which sections of the feedback should be included. Click on Export Feedback, and it should be displayed right here in Schoology. This is a student account. If you take a look, the file with the feedback will be appended to the submission activity. Click on the link to see the feedback. It matches exactly what's in here. That's it.